here we have the world famous Phil Alexander, inventor of the Simful, really good with a water-fed pole, taking his time to clean the windows here. Reason being, a perfect job wins no matter what. Giving the rules, ready to go. Couple of windows here. Here we go. Nice move. Oh, and a little schmoozing on the side. Very good.